So working on the Miele Novatronic W1986 and didn't have power. Sometimes that can be due to a door lock issue. One way you can tell is make sure it should power on, and then you can try slamming the door, and that can sometimes jar this thing to activate. Another thing to check is make sure that these are in the right position. If you have one of these power sniffers, it's good. So this tells me I can hear power, and if I turn this off, power doesn't flow. So it could be just the switch needs to be turned on, and also of course it could be the door switch, which lives in there, is having trouble. So we got power back. And in this case, it was just a matter of turning that little switch on where the outlet plugs in. So it was a very easy fix.